Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello there.
Welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you're well. Do you like this? Soap and Glory gave me this a couple years ago. Pretty cool, huh? I'm feeling a little bit stressed today, and something I really enjoy doing when I'm stressed is baking. So we're gonna bake today. I am gonna make some Kinder Bueno cookies, and while I do that, I'm going to answer some of your questions. I've done a style of video like this before where I scrapbooked and answer your questions. So if you'd like me to do that again, I will. But I thought, let's make a delicious treat this time. Where's my phone? I don't have any questions on me. I'm sorry that my hair's a sweaty mess. It's boiling today. The recipe that I'm following is from Jane's Patisserie. I will link it down below. So yeah. Let's bake, bitches. What do I actually need here? I hope I have the ingredients. That would be funny, wouldn't it? 125 grams of unsalted butter. Okay. 100 grams of light brown sugar. Coconut sugar is gonna have to do. Bicarb, salt, Kinder chocolate, and Kinder Bueno. Great, we've got everything. Let me put my baking box over here. Really aesthetically pleasing, I know. I think it's time to start. Add the butter and the sugars to a bowl and beat until creamy. Great, that's a simple task that I can do while I answer a question. We love multitasking, queen, okay. Okay, 125 of butter. The first question is, I've always wanted a PT. They're pricey, but would you say they're worth it? So, for me personally, I would say having a PT was completely worth it. Purely for the confidence aspect. There is a lot of butter on my phone right now. For those of you who don't, oh, that is rock solid. Shake up the coconut sugar. There it is. The white sugar. We've done really well so far. I just put way too much sugar in it by accident. Where were we? I would say if you're not very confident and you've never been before, for me personally, getting a personal trainer for the early parts of my lifestyle change was unbelievably useful and helpful. It taught me, Monica, I don't know why I said it, like she's not a real person. She taught me so much about how to structure a workout and what kind of muscles you should target together. And you could learn all of that online, like don't get me wrong. But when it comes to form and confidence going into the gym, that's not something you can learn online. That is something that you learn like as you go. Sometimes actually getting your ass into the gym is the scariest part, and you need that little extra boost of confidence in the form of another person. So that's why for me it was worth it. She taught me loads. Over a year later I still train with her like twice a week, and now I go on runs with her, and you know, I made a friend out of my PT. But I know that not everyone is able to get a personal trainer. You don't need one. And by no means am I telling you that in order to be successful, you need a personal trainer. That's absolutely not the case. I do think it's a massive advantage, but it's not essential at all. But for me personally, it changed my life. Next question. Oh my God, it's so hot in here. Hi, I'm new. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do have a sibling. I have an older sister. Her name is Amy, who I'm sure you'll meet soon. Next, add in the egg and beat again. If using vanilla, add it now. A teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we're just gonna... That is a tablespoon. That's a tablespoon of vanilla. That's not a teaspoon. Do not put that much in. That was a lot. Oh no. Oh well. And an egg. Why is your channel name EmmasRectangle? Oh, wow. It's unfortunate, to be honest with you. So, this looks disgusting. I named my channel EmmasRectangle because It used to be Makeup by Pemsy J. I used to only do makeup videos, and as I've gotten older, I kind of got less interested in makeup videos and more interested in kind of the lifestyle side of things. Add in the plain flour, baking powder, bicarb and salt. Yeah, I got like less interested in the makeup side of things, so just kind of stopped doing it. And so I wanted to change my name to something a little bit more universal. And rather than like a normal person, oh, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate, that was close. Woo! Rather than like doing my name like a normal person, I was like, oh, let's do something fun. So I did EmmasRectangle because the video that you're watching right now, check the shape. If you know, you know, you know. Obviously, absolutely no one gets it. Of course not, it's pretty cryptic. The only person ever who has been like, oh, is your YouTube channel named this for this reason, was Dodie from Doddleoddle when I met her one time. And I was like, yes, Dodie, thank you. What's next? 300 grams of flour. What am I doing? Cool. So for those of you who are new and are like, I don't get it, that is why my YouTube channel is EmmasRectangle. It's my little rectangle on the internet, which I can fill with whatever I want. If I want to bake, I can do that in my rectangle. That's it. And my mum said it sounded like rectum, so that was really supportive and great. My rectangle on the internet is for whatever I want it to be. And that is why my YouTube channel name is EmmasRectangle. I won't lie to you though. Sorry if you can hear my tumble dryer. Clearly just being a domestic goddess today. I am a little bit tempted to just change it to like my name, but I feel like I've spent so long fighting to explain why my channel name is what it is. I feel like it's a sign of weakness if I am like, I'll just change it, you know? Maybe that's just me being stubborn. People probably don't care as much as I think. Add the Kinder chocolate. Mate, we're nearly done. How old am I? These are basic questions. I'm 23. I'm new here, but I've seen you had a weight loss journey, so what's the story with that? If you are new here and you don't know the kind of background behind me discussing fitness, I will link my weight loss journey video down below. Because this is not the video for that. I don't need to go back into all that. Any more house updates? Honestly, I'm painting the kitchen this weekend, so that's exciting. We've had to do a couple of changes in the bedroom, which you'll see soon as well. So there are some house changes. Hopefully you'll see them very soon. I just need to change the battery in a B-roll cam. Hang on. You seem a lot happier than a few years ago. What do you think the main reason for that is? Honestly, I think the main reason for that is I started prioritizing myself more. I started taking better care of myself, both mentally and physically, and I also cut certain people out of my life that don't bring me happiness anymore. Did a bit of a life cull. I culled out some bad habits. Thought about number one a little bit more, and I got some hobbies, aka fitness, to be fair, is my biggest hobby, but something that makes you feel good. Kinder Bueno time. Let's just get crazy. I'll just put them all in and hope for the best. I'm just crumbling it up. I mean, I'm assuming this is right. It says chopped. I haven't done that. How do you make a girlfriend understand that you'd like to be more than friends? As in, you'd like to be in a relationship with one of your female friends. I'm assuming your friend knows that you say you're bisexual, so I'm assuming that your friend knows. If they don't know, maybe let her know, talk to her about it. And if she already knows, that's amazing, congrats, I'm glad. Just be really honest, like treat it the same as, hang on, if you are openly out and bisexual, then they'll know, or she'll know, that that's on something that could happen, you know. But if she doesn't know, then like I said, talk to her about it, come out, and explain like, I also have feelings for you, and I was wondering if you feel the same way. You just got to be brave, and if it's your best friend, like, yes, it could cause some awkwardness if things go wrong. Regardless of which way it goes and regardless of romance can come from it, they'll be supportive and loving either way if they're a good friend. And if they don't and they're not a good friend, then I guess you've also learned a valuable lesson there. A valuable lesson. So many people ask me if I have a 5-year plan. No. No, I don't. I take every day as it comes. I'm just trying to navigate through life at this point, day to day. So no, I don't really have a 5-year plan. Is that a bad thing? I don't know. Life seems to be going okay for me so far, and I've always been very wing it. Like, wing it is my motto. I've always done it. So no, I don't have a 5-year plan. But I think in the next 5 years, I'd like to have moved out of here, moved into somewhere with a bit more space maybe, a bit more of a garden perhaps. So I'm just checking you're still filming. You are! Success. This is how things are looking, by the way. Things are looking pretty good. It smells freaking fantastic. Boom. 1. I think maybe these are a bit small, but that's okay. I need to put these in the freezer. I think it's time to put the cookies in the oven now. Little frozen dough balls. I'm gonna put these in the oven for 11 minutes. My freezer's still open. I'm gonna tidy up a little bit and then I'll show you the end result. Oh yes, wowie wow. Ta-da! I cannot wait to eat these cookies. I think I'm gonna bring this video to a close. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and baking with me. This was fun. We should do this again sometime. Maybe next time I'll bring back the scrapbook and then another time I'll bake. We'll just see where the wind takes us. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video, whatever this is. I'm now gonna eat 2 cookies a day for the next week and I can't wait. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. I'd love to have you join our little fam. Thank you so much for watching. Have the best day and I will see you guys in my next one on Sunday for the weekly vlog.